Hey y'all, welcome back to Cuppy's Crochet Cove, and today we're going to be making some wash rags, dish rags. And for this you're going to need a pair of scissors, a yarn needle to sew it all in the end. I'm using an H or 5.0 millimeter hook, and I love this cotton. And yeah, kind of messy here because I had a lot of problems finding the center pull. So we're going to start off with a slip knot. Yeah, don't want to have my tail too long because for once I'm going to sew that in, and we are going to start with a chain of 33. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've got my chain 33, and in the second chain from the hook we're going to single crochet 1 and 1 into each remaining stitch or remaining chain for a total of 32 single crochets. So now I'm on my last stitch, and this makes 32, and one row is now complete. To begin the next row, we are going to chain 1, turn our work, and single crochet into the first stitch, the top of the first stitch, and single crochet in each all the way down, and you're going to repeat this pattern until you are content with the size of your wash rag. Now, how I do things is on pencil and paper, or in my case, a pen. So I'm going to go ahead and mark off this as row 1. I didn't see the need in getting a clean sheet of paper just to go on camera, because this notebook, it'll be good and full in no time. So what I do, I chain 33, and I'm going to end up with 33 rows, and continue along in this pattern, and I will meet you back with a completed wash rag, and we'll finish off the ends together. Here I am at the end. I've already cut my yarn. So now, going back to the very first piece, loading up my yarn needle. And instead of going in on this way, I'm going to sew it in on the side so that it won't curl up anymore, hopefully. And I just think it looks better this way. Pull it a little taut, not too bad. Coming back up, going back up the side, and I'm not doing this in any kind of particular way, just trying to make it neat. Okay, well, that came out, so it's done. And I'm cutting that. I'm going to leave a little bit sticking out because this will be used to wash dishes, and I definitely don't want it to come undone. I know that bottom won't. So here on this side, I'm coming in the side once again. Hopefully I won't pull the tail out this time. But on that first piece, it doesn't matter because that's not going to come unraveled. This one, I do want to make sure that I do this one a little more. Let me turn it. I want to do this side a little bit more in case it does come out, because, you know, scrubbing dishes. That's why I left my tail a little bit longer than usual. And it doesn't matter really how you sew this in. It doesn't have to be cute or perfect or whatever, because you're going to be washing dishes with, well, this is what this is going for anyway. And in all actuality, this is also not just good to use for washing dishes, but because it's cotton, soft, gentle, natural, it's also good to use to wash your face with, or for baby baths, because it's just soft and gentle. And turning it again, because I'm coming back up, and this is across the top, and of course my needle comes out, and that's good enough. It's definitely not going to come unraveled. So I'm going to cut this part a little bit shorter, and there you go. Now if you don't want your sides curling the way that mine did, you can always, let me put this up here a little, my stand is in the way. And as always, where I started it, that side always curls, and it's going to curl for me no matter how I flip it or turn it. So best way that I can figure to get it to stay down is to iron it. However, I'm not ironing this because it's going to be used to wash dishes. Sorry, I know my book is in the way. That's what I had my camera stand on to give me a little bit more height. So anyway, thank you for joining me today. And enjoy my curls. I hope to see you again soon. But in the meantime, please like, subscribe, and ring my little bell so you'll see all my future uploads. And feel free to share with all of your crocheting friends on social media. And thank you for being here with me again today. Have a great morning, noon, or night, and bless you all. Bye.